How to sign up for ChatGPT. So for this, open a browser and you have to go ahead and search for chat.openai.com. Then you will land here in this home page. Now you will see the two options of log in and sign up. So if you already have an account, you can log in. If not, tap on the sign up bubble next to it. Now once you hit this bubble, you can go ahead and do the manual process of entering your email address and creating a password and verifying yourself, or select the alternatives, that is continue with Google, continue with Microsoft account, or continue with Apple. For this, I'll be tapping on continue with Google. Next, you have to select our Google account to open your OpenAI. Here I'm selecting mine. And voila, just like that, you have created your very own ChatGPT account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.